Now let's move our focus to the Ghana Stock Exchange. Of course, that index has been trading down for the past few sessions. And to get an update on the performance of the market today and also to discuss news out of Ghana, we have Emmanuel Tsigbey. He's a stockbroker at New World Securities. Emmanuel, it's good to have you on the show. It'll be good for you to start by giving us an update on today's performance.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. The market was up from what we saw the previous session, closing at 1,740.81 points in terms of its index. In all, there were 48 trades valued at 144,000 Ghana cedis, down from what we saw in yesterday's session, where we witnessed the block transaction in HFC. There were a total of 6 price movements, three up and 3 down. On the upside, we saw the likes of farm milk gaining 5 pesos to close at 5.56 Ghana cedis.
Now, I mean, you mentioned HFC Bank. A lot of activity in that stock that we've seen this week so far. Is that still a reaction to the 41% rise in profit after tax, or is there something else?
I'm not too sure whether it's as a result of their performance, because this is a stock that even though they continue doing well, investors do not show much interest in that. I think it's just a strategic investor trying to take a position in that particular stock.
Okay, now let's talk a bit about Ghana's CPI. That, of course, increased to 10% in February from 8.8% in the previous month, after averaging 9.2% in 2010. Now, many analysts expect that inflation will remain in double digits over the near term. Is this a view that you share?
Not necessarily. The upward movement was a result of a recent price hike. We've been assured that this wouldn't happen anytime soon, and for that matter, we don't think this will actually result in a further movement in the CPI.
Now, we continue to see SIC slip to a year low, I believe, of 28 pesos. Now, does this reflect weakness in the insurance sector?
No, I don't think so, because its competitor, the Enterprise Group, has been doing well. It actually made significant gains and was part of those that saw its prices going up today.
Let's talk a bit about some company news. EcoBank, of course, recommending a final dividend of 29 pesos per share for 2012. We, of course, saw that company's profit after tax go up, and we've seen strong interest in that stock since then. It'd be good to know your view on where you think this stock will go going forward, and, of course, what you make of that dividend that was declared and how the market is reacting.
Yeah, EcoBank happens to be one of the very good stocks on our market. For some time now, we've seen it remaining in the 3 cedi range. Since its merger with Trust Bank, which happened to be a leader in the SME space, we've seen its positive impact on the company's performance, and since they came out with this very impressive result, we've seen it going up by as much as 64%.
Now, very quickly, talk to us about yields that are impressive in your market. Now, of course, for example, a company like Fan Milk declared a dividend of 6 pesos per share. That's 11% dividend yield. Now, in this market, Nigerian market, that would be considered pretty impressive. So what yields are considered good in your market?
A level of maybe 15 to 25%, yes, is something that we've seen coming from especially the banking stocks.
Okay. That's definitely very interesting. Let's leave it there. That was, of course, Emmanuel Tsigbey giving us an update on the Ghanaian market.